There is not even a single lifestyle image. No name, no slogan. It's not engaging. If you have a A+ content like this, you are missing conversions.
I'm having troubles with this plus content. It doesn't really help. Now I'm thinking of doing a bit test for this one, and the problem I'm facing is like I can't figure out where to start and what to improve.
Let's review the A+ content. What I think about the first module is it could be a lifestyle image, and you should give a message to your customer with a good title. Because you know what? If someone is looking at your product, the first impression matters. So in first module, you should use a lifestyle image, a title, and also a subtitle. Now move to the second module. The second module has some icon with a product image in the middle. The icons are not much highlighted, and also the 6 features we see, we cannot know any details about them. In the third module, they show the sizes, which is good, but we can show this in a lifestyle image, and that would be better. The fourth module for me doesn't create any value because we already know these come with 3 sizes, so there is no extra information. So now move to the next module. The fifth and sixth seem good to me. They come with a comparison chart and FAQ, which I think is very important. Overall, I don't like the design. There is not even a single lifestyle image. No name, no slogan. It's not engaging. It will not help a customer to make the buying decision. We missed a lot of opportunities here. So these all are unique selling points and we are ignoring all of them. Your customers looking for these things on your product like scratch resistance, dishwasher safe and oven safe up to 500 Fahrenheit. These things people really care about. We could include them in the second module. So if I summarize, there is no title, no subtitle, no lifestyle image, miss so many selling points. It's not strong enough to convince someone to buy it. If you have a A+ content like this, you are missing conversions. Even though people are clicking on your item, but you are not getting as much sale as you expected. That is what you are gonna face if you have a bad A+ content. Let me tell you what I suggest to make it better. Start with a lifestyle image in the beginning. It's crucial to engage the customers at the beginning along with a strong title and a subtitle. The first impression matters. It should motivate the customers. It would be best if you could add some carousels. Then 4 smaller images along with highlighting key features. Then another carousel with the lifestyle image and more selling points. Then a slogan to motivate more. Lastly, you can add a comparison chart and FAQ. Now, if you want to scale up your A+ content, you can give us the link. We can talk about it, find the weak points, and we can suggest you how to make it best. Our email info@ecomclips.com. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.